The most affordable 10-inch kids tablet. The Tagital T10K Kid tablet is equipped with quad-core at a reasonable price. Apps boot up very quickly. Gaming, internet browsing and video streaming on this phablet are awesome. Multitasking is smooth with Android 6.0. Portable multimedia with dual camera. You can take photos or record videos for important moments or instant ideas. Wi-Fi keeps you connected to any hotspots. Share your pictures or videos on Facebook or Twitter and get more interactions. Download your favorite apps from Google Play Store and enjoy your entertainment. The 10-inch size makes it very comfortable to use. Expandable storage. The 16 GB onboard storage enables you to store thousands of files, songs, e-books, etc. For more storage, put your microSD card to the card slot and you can get more storage in your tablet, up to 32 GB.